Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am opening my paper craft subscription to the SCT Sampler. So this is from Scrapbook Cards Today magazine. It's a $13 a month subscription, and that includes mailing. Like the shipping is included in that price. When you subscribe for the year, it's just $13, which is incredible. So I'm going to open it up and show you everything that came this month. Every month they have different companies that provide materials. I can see one of these little guys has come out of his shell here. So let's put that back in place. Perfect. Anyway, they give you a little sampling of some of the products. So I'll just show you here. This is everything that's inside. So we're going to find two different lines. Carta's Farmhouse Market Collection, which is my favorite collection from Carta, and Pebbles, the Avenue Collection, as well as two watercolor sheets from Close to My Heart. So this is, let's use this as the background here so you can see Home Sweet Home, Hey, Welcome, Stay a While, Hi, Hello. Perfect. So these are some really nice thickers that came in this, and we've got some more heart thickers. I love those, very useful, and a whole lot of ephemera. Got a little tag, circle flower. Look at all this, all the things. Cute little frame, some fun. Oh, actually that is different. You can tell the difference between these two very easily because this is like a matte finish, but these ones are like a glossy finish. So these must be from Pebbles. I've not seen Pebbles do this glossy kind of a finish on their ephemera before. That's interesting. I'd have to say I don't really like that. I like the images. This little dog. So cute. Those two little dogs, they're perforated so you can take them apart. But yeah, I much more prefer that sort of matte finish. So that's cute. So that goes on that side to keep them separate. So I would have to say, yeah, this is definitely Pebbles, and I can tell the difference here because of the paper. Carta has a very distinctive paper weight, so these will all be the paper sheets from the Pebbles collection. Oh, that's two together. That's very pretty. Little houses, little butterflies, some patterns. This is cute. Little girl on a scooter. And then this is very pretty. Very nice. So that all goes together as one. And then these must be from Carta, and you can definitely tell the texture. Carta paper is one of my favorite. Oh, I'm super glad to get these. I did a really neat project with these. I cut all of these tags out and roughed up the edges, inked them, put little eyelets in them, and had them as individual tags. And like I can get 8 beautiful, gorgeous tags out of that. And look at that plaid. I really like that as well. And so that's really pretty. And then they've included some plain cardstock that goes with that same collection. So that's interesting. Very, very nice. This is a collection I definitely would buy, and I'm definitely going to keep an eye out for that one there. And then these would go with that as well. And then from Echo Park we have a stencil. Everyone got different types of stencils. I've already seen two of my friends, the stencils that they received, so I got a flower pattern. So that's great. So let's see what we can make with this. So the first thing that I created was a card. It is to celebrate a birthday, and it says sending lots of love. That's the only thing that I added just from a little sticker sheet that I had on my desk. The focal point comes from this card stock. I've fussy cut out one of the tags, and I've gone ahead and I've put an eyelet in the center and tied a bow around it. This is a very simple card. I just layered some of the pattern paper on top of some cardstock, and then this tag on top of some cardstock. This is actually from the Pebbles ephemera of the kit, and it's got a really nice shine to it. And then those 3 hearts there. So very simple and really sort of elegant look. It'll match perfectly with the gift bag that I have here. You can see the pink and the mint green of the flowers are the same colors here. So this is just going to tuck into this gift bag, and it's going to be on its way as a gift. Okay, so I continued on with the idea of making cards. I absolutely love these tags, and I wasn't sure what I was going to do at first. I just started making a bunch of these tags. I put eyelets, I inked around some of the edges. This one had these silver looking accents, so I put a silver heart on there and a silver dangle here, and this is silver as well. So this is a fun celebrate card. So this is all the first cards I'm going to show you with the Carta, there we go, collection that came. I love this. It's the Farmhouse Market collection, and I honestly can see myself getting this collection because it is just gorgeous. I love Carta papers. I love their flowers. It's so nice. Like the actual texture of the papers are beautiful. So this is a cute little turtle in there. This would be perfect for a welcome baby. Could be welcome to the neighborhood, could be welcome to a new job. These are very generic, hello and celebrate, could be for birthdays. Here's another hello one. You can see I've stitched around the edges. I've popped everything up on dots. Again, I stuck with the silver on ones where I was using these. They're like brads, but they're just stickers. The ones that I'm using these stickers, I made silver accents there so that I could have it silver, and the one where I was using the thickers, I used gold accents. So this is really fun. Lots of stitching. This says hey. We got the 2 tags on there with the 2 different dangles. Beautiful. Oh, this is so elegant here. This is maybe one of my favorites. Home Sweet Home. So this would be a beautiful card if someone was actually just moving into their new home, and I actually just thought of someone who's moving into their new home. So if you're bringing like a housewarming gift to someone, this would be perfect. And I just love the simplicity and elegance of that one. And then this last one, I was down in supplies. I just had this one ephemera piece left to use, and this one little silver sticker. So I thought I would use up just a few of these scraps, create like a little collage in the background. I popped these 2 things up on foam adhesive there, and that's what I created for this first set of cards. Now the second set of cards comes from the Avenue collection from Pebbles, and so here I added, it said live your best life, and I added a little charm with a thread to the it's like a cutting board or a serving board, and it just says hello. So it's quite a different look than the other cards that I made with the blue, but a fun little card. Could be anything. That could be a birthday card. Hello, live your best life. So this is all butterflies, and it says thanks, thanks, thank you. And I have a little butterfly dangle on here, and you can have that sort of floating around any which way. And then this actually had said many thanks underneath, and it took me a while to be able to find the best way to make this arrangement for the card. And I popped both of these layers up. So I popped up the background piece, and then I popped up the little 2x2 square photo. So I cut this down to be just under 2x2 so it would fit in, and then I just added those little enamel dots on there. This was one of the journaling cards that came in the kit. It says enjoy today, so perfect just on its own. I just added the ephemera, put a little dot in the middle of that and a little flower on there so it stood up a little bit, and I popped up this, and I did add some little sequins to that. This is going to be an anniversary card. It is my wedding anniversary this fall, and these colors and this little acorn just say fall. So when I saw this little love you, I layered up some of the ephemera pieces on some of the pattern paper, and this will be my anniversary card. And then this last one, I was really trying to make a very specific card. It's congratulations for someone who's getting a new dog. It says, yay you, this is the stuff memories are made of. And I actually just cut up, so on the back of these here, on the back of these journaling cards has this paper, and it says, this is the stuff memories are made of, over and over again. When I trimmed this down for this card, I had one perfect sentence left, so I added it there. And that will be a card for someone who just received a new dog in their family, just welcomed a new member of the family. So that's my card. So you can see I have created 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 cards in total, because the one card I've already given away, so I don't have it here to bring into the mix of these ones, but it was kind of the starting point inspiration of using this collection to make cards. If you have not signed up for the sampler, I can't recommend it enough. This is $13 shipped to my door. I absolutely love it. I really enjoy getting new collections in the mail that I normally wouldn't pick out. I totally would buy this collection. And the idea is that you get a chance to work with some of these products before you decide whether or not you want to invest in the whole collection. And even if you don't ever invest in the whole collection, like look at how many cards I've created for my stash for when I need a quick card for something. So I thank you so much for watching. I'll leave all the information down below on how you can subscribe to the sampler. I'm not affiliated with them at all, but I pay for this service, and I absolutely enjoy every month getting a surprise in the mail. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again next time.